Hello, my name is Jasmine Rojas, and today I will be showing y'all how to make some delicious seashell bites. The ingredients you will need is 10 baked chips, half a cup of raw spinach, 2 ounces of fat-free cream cheese, 1 large strawberry, and 2 tablespoons of avocado. Step 1 is to chop up your spinach and strawberries with a butter knife. Once you're done, you will want to add it to a bowl. Step 2, you want to get 2 ounces of cream cheese and add it to the bowl. Mix until well combined. Step 3, spoon the cream cheese mixture into 5 chips. Step 4, you want to dice your avocado and evenly spread the avocado pieces into the center of the cream cheese filled chips. Step 5, place one of the remaining 5 chips on top, backside of cream cheese filled chip at a 45-degree angle to resemble a clamshell. Step 6, enjoy this tasty treat.